Pay attention. Rodrigo's ahead of his time. What's up, mi gente? I am starting the day off just chilling in a hammock. For today's vlog, it was gonna be part of Back to Tampa video. It was just so much footage. I decided to make it its own vlog. The first one out of 2 bonus videos. Enjoy. On our way to St. Peter's. It took me 6 years. Every single time I came to Tampa, it took for his fucking brother, my other cousin, Mr. Jose, aka Rodrigo, hey, to bring me. He said, you know what, let's just go to the beach. I said, I'm not trying to go to Clearwater. I know Clearwater from up and down. I want to go somewhere new, and we are about to explore St. Peter's Beach. Let's do it. It is what it is, man. I'm on vacation. Just remember, it's on my card. I'll get the invoice later.
Para arriba, que está acá.
I'll just zoom out all the way just so people know where we are in the world, you know. Lord, they go see a Mustang and they just trying to race me. They don't want me to put this baby in sports mode. God, man. Yo, this is a tweak. Está así, está locatico. Live life, baby.
Gira a la derecha.
Esta semana empiezo dieta. Ya empecé.
Oh, okay. This guy's showing discipline. No chips. What about cookies? Nothing?
No.
This way, sir.
Cookies are coming.
Alright.
Juan told me he put ice. Did he put ice or what?
No, he didn't.
What? Of course he did.
¿Qué le crees? Él siempre se le olvida todo.
He always finds a way to piss me off. It's all good. I'm on vacation. I'm on the way to the beach. We got the drinks. Of course, I'm not drinking because I'm driving. It's not the first Mustang I whip around in Florida. Honest to God, like, these are the small things in life that, like, genuinely make me happy. Let's go to La Playa.
Ay, no, ya está estudiando.
Hey, Valeria, if you ever watched this vlog, I'm sorry we couldn't bring you, but you gotta stay in school, you know? We got the essentials for the beach. We got the cooler, got the Crocs, got the Tommies, we got the Cabela's. Yes. We have made it to St. Pete's Beach. Weren't you here just yesterday?
Yes. Well, we walk home.
They had a busy day yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
So we ate crab, oysters.
You like seafood?
Yes, a little bit.
Wow, this beach is calm, man. Beautiful.
La arena. Está suave.
Oh, okay. Smooth.
No, pues sí, siempre hay gente. Nos llevó el Waze, fue al de la, donde estaba sobre la calle. Vamos para la playa.
If this isn't the most Florida thing that there can be, like, look at this. These clouds. Just some heavy clouds with a little bit of rain. You know, not for nothing, but this beach I like way more than Clearwater. Who else, you know, got the matching sunscreen with the... Just left the beach, still in St. Pete. Guess we're making the block hot already. One thing I like about Florida, that like, there's so many cities. It's not like in Chicago. Chicago is just Chicago. There's nothing really outside, you know, besides corn.
We just have a lake. Yeah,
I know, you can't compare.
Yeah, I love a party. Time.
Okay, good.
That's what we're talking about with my friend.
No way.
Well, I just moved 3 days ago.
Well, congrats. That's amazing.
Thank you. Yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Fun, happy, and maybe I should.
Okay, I see you guys are making some content too.
Oh yeah.
No, I just have a GoPro.
And what was your name?
Rodrigo. Nice to meet you.
Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I hope to see you. Maybe you can see Pete. Well, we'll here
Okay.
often.
Okay.
Yeah.
What makes you
Nice
what makes you happy
Oh yeah. What makes you happy?
in life?
Study, read, the beach, maybe, and parties too.
Parties.
Very cool.
Thank you.
Good.
Awesome, guys. Have a good one. Wow, I didn't know you were famous, man.
Salió bien la entrevista.
Hey, I've been captured on the snap.
Ya mira, si esas las casas allá,
Yeah.
entonces, todo eso se puede caminar. Y hay un pedazo que se llama High Park, es
Okay.
como la calle y hay tiendas, hay restaurantes, hay de todo, y bares.
If you ever in Tampa and you want a tour guide, my cousin, aka Rodrigo,
Hi!
we are about to have lunch up there. I gotta shoot this way because you know the sun's coming. Yo, St. Pete, small city, but I like it. I need everybody in the comments to let me know if you guys like GoPro footage, because for me, having this camera is so much easier. This food looks amazing. ¿Cómo están los tacos?
Están deliciosos. ¿Esto qué es, pizza? Aldo, vive por aquí comiendo. Bonito, ¿no?
Very. Gracias, primo. Por
Ay,
salir
no,
hoy.
con gusto. Siga viniendo, yo lo sigo sacando. Yo soy callejero, la verdad.
That runs in the family. We just like the streets too much. They call and we're like, hello? Oh, okay, we're there. ¿Cómo se llama el lugar?
Tickets Bar.
Another thing checked off.
Es que allá está el aeropuerto.
I feel like I'm back at home in Chicago over here with all these planes. That pretty much sums it up for St. Pete today. Yo, let me find out my cousin knows how to take pictures, man. Okay.
I told you.
Because-
Creo que iba a cerveza para acabarla.
Hey, man, do what you want to do, cuz. You ready, sir?
Yeah, it's ready.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
One more.
Dale, primo.
Ay, sin viaje de vuelta. Por la isla te va. Todos a los ojos, no al reloj.
Y nos fuimos para
Ando rezándole a Dios para repetirlo otra vez.
Quédate, que la noche sin
La pose y todo lo que.
I need to end the vlog too, right? Alright, so with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.
Y nos fuimos en una, empezamos la